Hi, it's a common knowledge that real estate is a pricey thing, and to buy a flat or a house you need quite a lot of cash. In addition to severe expensiveness, it's always hard to find the place that would entirely suit your needs and meet all of your requirements. But there are people who don't want to waste their time and money endlessly trying to find the dwelling of their dreams. They simply transform most unexpected places into a perfectly suitable premises.
You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time, and I gotta stay high all the time, and I gotta stay.
So, how'd you like the idea of living in a garage? Well, that's exactly what Jeremy Boholz did. He found a garage, gathered some money, and bought it. And because its initial condition wasn't exactly, let's say, perfect, it didn't cost much. I mean, you can tell just by looking at it. But being a photographer, Jeremy saw something in it, and by God, he was right. So after he bought a garage of his dreams, he called his architect friend Mathieu Demarny, who came up with a brilliant transformation plan. It's amazing how 41 square meters of space can seem so roomy and bright, considering the fact that the place was once a rickety shed. So rusty iron doors were replaced with sliding wooden ones, which turned out to be a very functional solution. For example, now Jeremy can move the entire right side over to the left, opening up a little patio. And by moving the left sash, kitchen fills up with light. During the redevelopment process, the premises was divided into zone spaces: kitchen, living room, workspace, bedroom, and a spacious patio. The porch meets the kitchen with the sliding patio doors, which also makes their use more convenient and functional. The pitched roof allowed for a massive 2-story furniture unit. So where'd you think the bedroom is? Right on top. But if that's obvious to you, then check this out. This weird-looking cube isn't just a bedroom. As you can see, it's a perfectly suitable, comfortable workspace. There's an inbuilt sofa right next to it, which, by the way, quickly transforms into a guest bed. And if you're wondering where the cupboards are, well, the whole thing is a fragmented cupboard with many compartments, some bigger than others. So Jeremy says that it's more than enough space for all of his stuff. And that's not all. There's a toilet and shower inside that thing. It's very compact, but not at all tiny. There's absolutely everything a modern human being could possibly ask for. The mirror's quite large too. There's even a washing machine and a boiler. So as I mentioned before, the bedroom's upstairs, and it's a fully functional double bed. And the great thing is that you can actually stand up straight without hitting your head on the ceiling. So now the former garage is really something else. And Jeremy and his friend Mathieu proved that thinking out of the box makes you come up with interesting and unconventional solutions, which can save you quite a lot of time and money. And now it's time to press the like button, you guys. That is, of course, if you like the video. And if you want to see more of this good stuff, don't forget to subscribe to AmaziCo. See ya!